Hello? Anybody in there? You awake, kid? Good. You did a real bad thing, kid. Playing that orange freak in Nermal cart? I get my blood boils. You see that? It boils every time I think about you playing that smug, fat, lazy, orange cat in my game. How can I possibly forgive this act of treachery? Peace offering? I'll bite. What you got in there? This is really funny. This is one of the funniest books I've ever read. Holy guacamole. This book? Whoa. Where'd you find this? Oh, I see. Let me think. You shut your yap. You know what? What's to stop me from taking you down? And then taking that little funny comic of yours. Huh? Didn't think about that, did you? You know, I knew you were dumb when you played that little orange fur ball. But now, I know you're downright brain dead. Almost feel sorry for you. Almost. I haven't forgotten about what you did back there. And I don't see any other things on you that would change my mind. So how about I get down to brass tacks? You know what this is? Yeah. Don't worry. I ain't gonna kill you. Yet. I gotta make sure it's up to snuff.
You gotta give him that hawk too and spit on that thing.
Hey, quiet down, won't you? Some things just can't be forgiven. Some things, some people, you have to make an example out of. Hey, Sleeping Beauty. We're not done here. Not yet. I mean, what's Garfield got that Nermal ain't got? He's gray. He's small. He's hardworking, and you know me. I'm not gay, but he's a good-looking cat. Garfield. He's lazy. He's a glutton. He's fat. You made a big time mess up. If you fall asleep on me again, I might just have to cut you loose. Huh. Where's the fun in that, though? I mean, Garfield. What a sick joke. I should have killed that little orange menace when I had the chance. He really ticks me off. He's so fat and ugly and lazy. Gross. I appreciate you for not running off or anything. Don't try now. This place, armed to the teeth in dynamite, explosives, booby traps. Don't snicker at that. I don't even want to hear a peep out of you. These are your last words. You might as well make them good. Make them count. Anything to say? What did you just say? That's one of the funniest things I've ever heard. And I've been doing this for a long time. We've had our differences. I'm gonna kill you with a gun. You played a character in a video game. Sure. But I'll give credit where credit's due. You got a knack for telling jokes and stuff. That funny book in your funny little mouth. Hell, what a waste, you know? Doesn't change my mind on anything. If you're thinking I'm going soft, I'm not. Don't spoil it. Those were some funny, good last words. If I was where you are right now, which I would never be, because I play good characters like Nermal and the garbage cat. If I was where you are, those would be some fine last words for me. Ready? I know I am. From where you're sitting must feel like an 18-karat run of bad luck. But the truth is, the game was rigged from the start.
I'm from outer space, I got Mookie